Good day, my people. I've been given a question involving indices. It says if 2 raised to the power x plus 1 raised to the power x equals 9, you want to find 3 to the power x. Let's jump straight into it. So 2 raised to the power x plus 1 raised to the power x is equal to 9. From this, let's take note of this. 1 raised to the power any number is still 1. So 1 raised to the power x is still 1, which implies that 2 raised to the power x plus 1 is equal to 9. From this, I have 2 raised to the power x is equal to 9 minus 1. 2 raised to the power is equal to 8. 8 is the same as 2 raised to the power x is equal to 2 raised to the power 3. So 2 times 2 times 2 give us 8. Since the bases are the same at both sides of the equation, x is equal to 3. From the question, we are asked to find 3 to the power x, not x. Therefore, 3 to the power x is now equal to 3, where x is equal to 3, which implies that I have 3 times 3 times 3, and that is 27. See you on the next one. Do follow us for more. Goodbye.